Dear students, welcome back to our online class. Measurements. In this one, objective is introduction to length, weight, and volume. Comparison of objects using length and weight. Volume through non-standard units. Use tall and short when you compare heights. Use long and short when you compare length. Have you ever heard of these statements? Your brother is taller than you, or you are shorter than your brother. The rope is longer than the ribbon, or the ribbon is shorter than the rope. இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸ் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ என்ன டால்னா என்ன, ஷார்ட்னா என்ன, வெயிட், லென்த், வால்யூம் இதை பற்றியெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு இந்த கிளாஸில் சொல்லித்தர போகிறோம். When you compare height, you must tell tall or short. When you compare length, you must tell long or short. Here you have longer hair than me. So when you compare hair, the length, you are higher than me. He is standing in a higher place than this guy, so he is telling you are higher than me. When you compare distance, Mumbai is nearer to Chennai than Delhi. What does this information refer to, or how can one say that you are taller or Mumbai is nearer or the rope is longer? See here, this is thick and this is thin. There, the flower pot is far away from that one. Here, this guy is telling you are taller than me. As I said, the answer is simple. This is through measurements. Here, in the case, we use the measurement length. Measurement distance is between 2 points called as length. See here, this is weight. We are going to look at the different measurement unit. We are going to learn about weight. We can compare the pumpkin and brinjal through weight. The correct sentence is, a pumpkin is bigger than a brinjal. How much it weighs? So, according to that, we will tell which is bigger and which is smaller. So here, pumpkin is bigger than a brinjal. வெயிட் எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்றதை பொறுத்து எது பெருசு எது சின்னது எவ்வளோ வெயிட் இருக்குன்னு நம்மளால் சொல்ல முடியும். இங்கே பம்கின் பிரிஞ்சாலை விட பெருசாக இருக்குது. சம் ஆஃப் த காமன் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் வெயிட் ஆர் பிக், ஸ்மால், லைட் or heavy, like that. Here they are given you two pictures of fish. Can you see a small fish here and a big one? Yes, this is small in size and this is big in size. Even visibly you can find out which is big and which is small. Here another one. The simple balance will show you which objects are lightweight and which are heavy. If you go to a shop, they have a balance to see which is heavier and which is lighter. So here, this side it is heavy and that side it is light. Now coming to volume part. What is volume? Volume is the space occupied by an object. Will you say that a glass of milk is smaller or shorter than a bottle of milk? No, you cannot compare it like that. ஒரு கிளாஸ் எம்டியாக இன்னொரு கிளாஸில் பாதி மில்க், இன்னொரு கிளாஸில் ஃபுல் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் மில்க் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் எப்படி அதை கம்பேர் பண்ணுவீங்க? நீங்கள் சின்ன கிளாஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்வீங்களா, பெரிய கிளாஸ்? நோ, யூ கேனாட் சே இட் இஸ் ஸ்மாலர் ஆர் ஷார்ட்டர். So what you will say? We usually compare the amount of the milk by its volume but not by its weight or length. எவ்வளோ வால்யூம் அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத தான் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணுவோமே தவிர அதனோட லென்த்தையோ வெயிட்டையோ நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ண மாட்டோம். ஸோ ஹியர் another thing is given. What is volume? Volume is the space occupied by an object. The phrase is half a bottle of juice or full tank of petrol or a glass of milk or a bowl of soup or a teaspoon of syrup, etc. always refer to volume of the object. Okay, ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டோட வால்யூமை நம்ம எப்படியெல்லாம் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம்? வாட் ஆர் த ஃப்ரேசஸ் தட் வி யூஸ்? half a bottle of juice, full tank of petrol, a glass of milk, a bowl of soup. See here, a teaspoon of syrup. A teaspoon is the measurement. Full tank is the measurement. A glass of, a bowl of, a tea of. So that is the volume of object phrases. We have just seen an introduction about measurement in which we have seen about length, weight and volume. We will be sending you the exercises in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.